Bali's waterfall wonders, Tibumana tranquility. Embark on our journey to Tibumana Waterfall. As we weave through charming countryside lanes, flanked by towering coconut trees, the serene atmosphere and panoramic views of lush green rice fields along the way set the stage for an unforgettable adventure. Let's dive into the anticipation of what awaits. As we approach Tibumana Waterfall, the sound of cascading water grows louder, guiding us towards its enchanting embrace. With each step, we draw closer to the breathtaking sight that awaits us. Standing in awe of Tibumana's beauty, take a moment to soak in the serene ambience and marvel the wonders of nature surrounding you. The gentle mist from the waterfall caresses your skin, creating a sense of tranquility and inspiring wonder. As our time at Tibumana comes to an end, we carry with us memories of tranquility and natural beauty that will stay with us forever. As we bid farewell to this enchanting sanctuary, may the spirit of Tibumana continue to inspire and rejuvenate all who visit.